Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an Instagram reel. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Then if you wanna create a reel, you have to click on this button. Click on this plus button, and you have to choose a reel. It's right here. Just click on reel option. And then choose the video that you want to upload as a reel, but you can also take the video from Instagram. If you want to take new video, you have to click on camera, but if you want to upload the video that has been available on your phone, you have to click on recents right here, and then click on video option and choose the video that you would like to upload, and wait for a moment guys. And this is the video that I want to upload. Just click on the video, and you can add music to your reel by clicking on this button, and you can edit the video before you upload it by clicking on this button. And if you want to upload your reel, you can click on this button, next button, and wait for a moment. Alright, and you can tag people on your reel, and you can also add location. But if you want to share your reel, you have to click on this button, click on share. And I'm just gonna share my reel, so I'm clicking on the share button and wait for a moment guys. It's still loading. And that's how we can make Insta reel. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.